The era of AI creativity is upon us. And it's not just about replacing human artists, but augmenting their abilities to create something truly extraordinary. We're living in a world where machines can compose music, write novels, and even paint masterpieces. Artificial intelligence has opened doors to new possibilities in content creation. With tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion, Indian professionals can now harness the power of AI to generate high-quality music, write engaging content, and create stunning visuals. These tools are not only democratizing creativity but also empowering professionals to work more efficiently. One key insight is that AI creativity tools are not a replacement for human judgment, but rather a catalyst for innovation. Indian professionals can use these tools to explore new ideas, experiment with different styles, and push the boundaries of what's possible. By combining human creativity with AI's analytical capabilities, professionals can produce work that's both innovative and commercially viable. To stay ahead of the curve and learn more about AI and technology, subscribe to our Finaixram weekly newsletter at rzp.io/rzp/tmibq4.
Knowledge creates opportunities, and opportunities create success. Subscribe to Finaixram, where AI meets the future of investing.